Hi, we're at SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 330-gallon smoker. At the front, we do have a bumper pull hitch as well as the jack. There is a 31-inch Charkettle grill. The lid of the grill is secured with 2 screw-in pieces. This is a 330-gallon barrel that is made of 7-gauge steel. It measures 102 by 31 inches in diameter. The top and bottom racks measure 91 inches. There is a front work surface. We do have the heat-treated handles as well as 2 temperature gauges on the single door. There is a warming box that measures 30 by 24 by 36. There is a temperature gauge as well as 2 20 by 30 racks. We do have a slide vent at the bottom as well as the other chamber. There are 2 slide open vents at the back of the warming box as well. We have the CounterWeight as well as the smoke outlet. There is also a wood basket on the side of the smoker. The smoker also comes with one 3,500-pound axle on 15-inch tires. Once again, this is a 330-gallon smoker with a single door counterweight and Charkettle on the tongue. If you were interested in this smoker or any other smoker we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.